welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new travel series. I ran through the entire airport. But there's an unfortunate incident. Our luggage hasn't landed with us. I have always wanted to live in such a place. Guys, so currently we are at Primark, Barcelona. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
The next morning.
Hola amigos, welcome to day 2 in Barcelona, and as you can see I'm all decked up. Actually it was like, I think it rained last night. There were thunderstorms last night as well, but it is pretty cold at the moment, and usually I don't wear a beanie this early in the day, but can't help it, today it's really freezing. All set to explore Barcelona. Today we are heading to Montserrat and we booked a guided tour through Get Your Guide. I'll leave a link to the tour in the description box below for you guys to check it out, and the meeting point is about 30 minutes from where we are staying, so let's go. Hey you guys, we just had a very hearty and a fast-paced breakfast. Breakfast option was quite good. Searching for fresh food is a task over here, but nonetheless they do understand the language and everything. Right now we are walking towards our meeting point for the Montserrat guided tour, and we are crossing the Arc de Triomphe. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I had no idea that we'll be crossing this monument, but it is so good. Arc de Triomphe of Barcelona. There's one in Spain, I think it's one in France, Paris. I think it's inspired by that. Not really sure. I'm going to put all the history on the screen over here, but it is so pretty. We boarded our bus to Montserrat and we obviously booked this experience to Get Your Guide. We walked from our hotel till here and it was a 20-minute walk. It was quite comfortable and we managed to grab some food on the go. Once, like if you book the same experience as mine, that you have to head to Julia Travels office and they'll give you an audio guide like this and also tickets to your experiences and stuff. I think the ride to Montserrat is for an hour at this moment. So let's go and explore Montserrat. I have seen such beautiful pictures of this place and I just can't wait to explore it. Reached the base of the Montserrat mountain, which is right behind me, and it is so beautiful. I mean, the structure is just unbelievable. There's a scientific and a legend explanation of all this. I'll take you guys through it later on, but look at this, so pretty. Our train also includes the cogwheels experience, and that's how we booked it. So we have left our bus at the base and now we're going to take a cogwheel train up the mountain, and the guide told us that to sit on the left side to enjoy outstanding views, so that's what we're doing. And oh my god, I am probably going to enjoy this experience the most in Barcelona, I guess. But I mean, after whatever day we had yesterday where we wouldn't do much, today has started on a great note. And also an update on our luggage. Mine has arrived last night and my husband's luggage is gonna arrive today, so that's also a win-win situation. So yeah, let's go explore Montserrat.
180, and there were two little shepherds on the mountain with their animals, when suddenly one day when it was getting dark they saw a ray of light and they heard, "I have only met you," okay?
Just an hour from Barcelona, high up in the jagged mountains, lies Montserrat, a place where nature, history and mystery come together. Legend says that centuries ago, a group of shepherds found a hidden statue here, the Black Madonna, lovingly called La Moreneta. Some believe her discovery was a miracle. Today, the Santa Maria de Montserrat Monastery guides this sacred figure, attracting pilgrims and dreamers from around the world. From ancient legends to stunning views, Montserrat isn't just a mountain, it's a place where stories come alive. Step inside the basilica and it feels like stepping into another world. The golden altars, the towering arches and the soft lights create a peaceful glow. At the heart of it all sits the Black Madonna, high above the altar. Many believe that if you touch her and make a wish with an open heart, miracles can happen. Nearby, hundreds of candles flicker, each flame carrying someone's silent prayer. Guys, stepped out of the church and you would have seen the shots. It's pretty. I mean, if I would have been inside and vlogging, I think I wouldn't have been able to say anything else, but only it's so pretty. And honestly, it is really, really beautiful and definitely peaceful. I'm loving my time here, and yes, it is cold, so please be decked up if you are going to visit during this month. But oh my god, outstanding. Hey guys, so we are exactly at the center of the entire mountain, and here our guide told us is where you can feel the energy of the earth. Honestly, this place is so pretty. You can like look right behind me. It's really, really beautiful, and oh my god, highly, highly recommend coming here.
A few moments later.
Take it as shots or slowly?
Como quieras.
Anyways. Cheers.
Nice. 26% alcohol.
Okay. Is there some honey mixed too?
Honey? No.
Cheers.
We just tasted the alcohol. It was really, really good. We were so tempted to buy one, and I especially liked the last one, which was creme something. I'm gonna pop up the name of it on the screen. It just tasted like Toblerone. It was really, really good. Shashwat, which one was your favorite?
The hazelnut.
Yeah, that too was really nice. So yes, we ended up buying the smaller versions of it so that we can take a sip whenever we want to. And now we're going to go for an audiovisual guide. I don't know how long this vlog is going to be, so you guys have to bear with me. But this is the best of Barcelona, and I'm just very happy you guys are along with me.
To mingle at Montserrat, mountain, monastery and sanctuary. Montserrat, serrated mountain, a treasure in Catalonia, and the whole world opens its doors to us. The origins of the mountain date back 50 million years. At that time, at this site, the earth was bathed by the sea. Over the years, a craggy mountain was created from the sediments deposited in the area, now more than 20 million years ago. A view of the peaks could lead one to believe that it was sculpted by a divine hand. In fact, Monsignor Cinto Verdaguer, one of the great epic writers of literary history, said that the mountain appeared to have been sculpted by angels. The peaks were created from a conglomerate of pebbles, sand and cement.
Hi guys, so we are hiking to the St. Michael's Cross, which is one of the highest points here in the mountain. But we just stopped at this viewpoint. Can you look at the valley behind me? It's so pretty. And our guide did tell us that there's a point after you walk for 10 minutes. That's the cross right there. Thoda detour, thoda wrong way, and now we've finally reached St. Michael's Cross, which is right behind me. Oh my god, it's quite steep to walk till there, but the view is outstanding of the entire Catalonian region, and that's Montserrat Mountains behind me. So pretty.
One hour later.
It is so cold, but currently I'm craving for some rice. Honestly, veg paya or something like that. I can have non-veg food, but my husband can't. So yeah, I'm going to look for veg paya options, because before I leave Spain, I will definitely have paya. Okay, so we're back at the bus station from where we started this morning, and now it's time to head back. We did see Sagrada on the way, and that's where we're gonna go tomorrow. But today we're just gonna go to a hotel probably and drop all the stuff that we bought. Bought cheese and alcohol, so, and maybe head to the beach afterwards. Not sure what we're gonna do.
Later that same evening.
Hey guys, it's currently 6 here in Barcelona, and we just stepped into a restaurant to have dinner. I know it's very, very early to have dinner, but we haven't had proper lunch except for that salad. We're sitting at Taverna del Bisbe, which is in the Gothic Quarter only. I just realized we're staying in the Gothic Quarters and we haven't explored it yet, so probably we'll just go and walk around that area and stuff after dropping our stuff and having some food. Surprisingly, they have vegetarian options, so I'm really, really happy because we're going to be trying some vegetable paella. So let's go. Shashwat here has ordered vermouth. Let's see his reaction. How's it?
Nice. Similar to brandy.
You like it?
Yes.
Is it strong?
No, not very strong. Has a tinge of honey.
Ooh, nice. This is so good. I feel so happy having rice. Definitely recommend. And the vegan option is quite good. Guys, luggage आ गया हमारा. Finally, new clothes to wear. It's raining. Are taking a metro to Sagrada Familia.